Sequences including the nth term. In the previous clip we looked at how to find the nth term formula. In this clip we're going to look at how we would use it. A question may look something like this. So they want you to find the nth term formula. Once you've found it, they want you to find the 50th term. So as you can see, first of all, we can see that the difference is plus 3. So we multiply that by n. And if you go back to the imaginary term before, you get 4. So then you add the 4. So just to recap, the 3, which is the difference between each term in the sequence, is what you multiply n by, and the imaginary term before, which is a positive 4, is what we add once you've times by 3n. So you do 3 times the n, and then you plus the 4 at the end. So the nth term formula is 3n plus 4. So now that we found the nth term formula, which is 3n plus 4, we're going to use this to do part B, which is to find the 50th term. Now don't forget, n stands for the position number in the sequence, so we're looking for 50, so we'll change the n to 50. And we have 3 times 50, because 50 is the position number in the sequence, plus the 4, which equals 154. Let's look at this next example. Once again, they want us to find the nth term formula. Once we have that, we then need to find the 50th term. Now in this formula, the difference between the terms is actually going to be a negative number, because although the difference is 2, going from left to right as we go through the sequence, we're actually reducing it by 2, so it's a minus 2. So the difference between the terms is minus 2. So that's going to be multiplied by my n. And then once I've done that, the imaginary term before is 9. So don't forget, we're going to add that. So my nth term will be minus 2 multiplied by n. And then I'm going to add the 9. So now that I have the nth term formula, I'm then going to find the 50th term. So I'm going to replace the n with 50 because it's the 50th term. So that'll give me minus 2 times 50, which is minus 100, plus the 5 will give me minus 95. So the 50th term is minus 95. Sometimes in a question they will give you the nth term formula, like they have here. So the nth term is 5n minus 2, and they want us to find the first 4 terms of the sequence. So in order to find the first 4 terms of the sequence, so that's the term in position 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will change the n to 1, then to 2, then to 3, then to 4. So we have our formula, which is 5n minus 2. We then change the n to 1, then to 2, then to 3, and then to 4. And when we work that out, we get the first term is 3, second term is 8, the third term is 13, and the fourth term is 18. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video, then try these. How did you do? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and try again.